really getting nibs on anything at the moment. Still absolutely picturesque. Put a bit of distance on the drone. I think it's getting tiny nibs. Now's the time to get the glowies out. I'll have to send another drone bait before we lose light. There's something having a bite now. Right on dark. Yes, 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 come on. Here, I was thinking we ran out of bait. They're proper bites now. Just feels like seaweed though. It's a fish. It's a Port Jackson. Oh yeah, they're nice, aren't they? It's about the same size, it's quite big. Look at that. You're a big boy. Could have been the waves as well. You felt something on though, or? Oh wow, that's good. That's real good. Well, I lost that one.
Yeah, because even on watching it,
Yeah. Oh, I just got the head absolutely spanked. The head, mate. That means Mulloway. So I'm going to reverse my rig for the next one and put the head outward. It'll be nice to get you a big tailor or a Mulloway or a snapper tonight, mate. Double snell on here. Triple on mine. See if we get any nibs. Well, actually the other way around. So think about if the fish is going to bite, how you want your hook facing. You want it facing out like that, so you probably want to go in like that.
coming out the back.
Still, so you lined it up perfectly because you want that like that, but yeah, you want it, yeah, or coming out anyways, because you put it towards the middle or on the dark side of the flesh because it's a lot harder. Oh, what was that? I think something just bit through my line. No. I'm on big. I'm on good here, brother. This is good. He's zinged. He's coming our way. He's coming our way. Oh. This is decent size. Gotta try and swim it in.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's a tailor. Oh no, I gotta get him over those. Oh no.
Oh, it's mullet.
It's a Mulloway.
Nice.
It's a decent size. Woo!
Nicely done.
Oh yes! Yes!
Well done.
Yes! Let's get out there again. They're coming through. There might be bigger ones, man.
Beautiful.
Woo!
Nice work. Look at that.
That's a beautiful one.
That's a horse.
They're going to get big. Oh, it's not a horse. We've got to get bigger ones than that. That's a baby still, mate. They get way bigger than that. Look at you, you nice ghost. Woo! I've got to take my lamp off. Oh, it's very slimy. Oh, I hope there's a bigger one out there. And that was on the 3 hooks in the middle hook that I was telling you about. Well, that was a decent fish. See if we can get another one while the going's good, eh? There could be a few of them out there. Is there one more lurking? Can we get the big boy this time? Can't believe that Mulloway was on the middle hook. We were just talking about that. I just need to make up more triples. That's the only triple I had. Get rid of the doubles now when we're going for Mulloway. Come on, is there a late one? Is there another adventure for Perth Adventure families?
Come on, baby, take it, take it.
Have we finally cracked it?
I hope so.
Oh, that's such a good bite.
Come on.
That is such a good bite. I'm onto something here. Oh, ho, ho. Yes! Woo! Oh my God, and I was going to bring this in because it wasn't getting any bites. There's definitely something on here. Oh! He's trying to bring me into the reef, I think. Yeah. I think this feels sharky. No, it's a Port Jackson. It's a big Port Jackson. That's a big porty. That's what's been biting our bloody lines, unfortunately. At least I got it right that it was a shark. You're a big boy. Look at the size of you. There you go. Well done. There's no way he's coming back now. No way. He's cooked there for sure. Beautiful. Thanks for that. Still just lovely. I just love catching big species of stuff, eh? And I'm glad it wasn't a stingray to stick the death of them.
You know, it's such a cool experience as well.
Yeah.